Welcome to the Best Picks. The best tenor sax mouthpiece is probably one of the most crucial decisions a tenor saxophonist will make, impacting everything from tone and intonation to response and projection. Finding the right mouthpiece can transform your playing, unlocking new levels of expression and control, but with so many options available, choosing the perfect one can feel overwhelming. Today, we'll dive into the world of tenor sax mouthpieces, exploring key factors to consider and helping you find the ideal match for your unique playing style and musical goals. Number 5. Libretto Tenor Sax Mouthpiece Kit. This kit has everything a beginner or intermediate tenor saxophonist needs to get started. It's a great value and perfect for students. It includes a durable, lightweight 5C mouthpiece, a protective cap, and a gold lacquered ligature. Everything is included in one convenient package. We use only the best materials to ensure it's long-lasting and reliable. It's specially designed to meet the needs of students and beginners. We've listened to our customers and created a kit that's both high quality and affordable. It's a great bargain. It comes in a nice gift box, sealed for hygiene. It's a fantastic present for any young musician, perfect for school or home practice. Each box is sealed with a tamper-evident void sticker. This ensures you receive a brand new, clean mouthpiece. If the seal is broken, please contact us for a replacement. What we like. It includes everything you need to get started, ensuring a complete and convenient experience. The durable materials make it perfect for beginners and students. If you're on a budget but still want a reliable mouthpiece, this is a great option. What people say. This was perfect to mirror my tenor sax student. The mouthpiece was fine and worked well. Shipping was quick and easy. The mouthpieces are of a decent quality. Number 4. Vandoren SM823E Tenor Sax Mouthpiece. Get ready to experience the Vandoren SM823E, a tenor saxophone mouthpiece designed for effortless projection and rich tone. It's the perfect balance of ease and expressiveness. This mouthpiece delivers a beautiful, full-bodied sound. You'll appreciate its ability to produce a wide range of timbres with ease. It's designed to project your sound beautifully, making it ideal for both solo and ensemble playing. You'll be heard clearly, no matter the setting. With a precise 270/100mm tip opening and long facing, it offers exceptional response and articulation. It's perfectly calibrated for optimal performance. For best results, pair it with Vandoren #2.5-3.5 reeds. This combination will unlock its full potential and enhance your playing experience. The Vandoren SM823E mouthpiece strikes a perfect balance between ease of playing and rich tonal quality. It's a versatile choice for any tenor saxophonist. What we like. It offers a balance between ease of playing and rich tone. The long facing makes it comfortable and efficient. If you're looking for a mouthpiece that's easy to play but still sounds great, this is a good choice. What people say. This seems to be the ideal setup for me, and I can go from whispering subtones, to robust, rich centered tone with sufficient brightness in the upper register at louder volumes. The sound of the V16 is big, yet controlled. It produces a full, vibrant but not brassy, tenor sound. It is easily controlled top to bottom, and for me the most important part, it plays in tune. Like all new mouthpieces, you have to get used to them and find the right ligature and reed setup, but this one still plays great out of the box. Number 3. Vandoren SM721 Tenor Sax Mouthpiece. Get ready to experience the Vandoren SM721, designed for unparalleled performance. It offers a unique blend of roundness, depth, and precision, taking your playing to the next level. This mouthpiece delivers a rich, resonant tone. Its carefully crafted design ensures exceptional projection and clarity, making it perfect for any musical setting. With a precise 1.76mm tip opening, it provides effortless response and articulation. This mouthpiece is meticulously engineered for optimal performance. The medium-short facing length contributes to its versatility. It's suitable for a wide range of musical styles and playing techniques. For best results, pair it with Vandoren reeds in strengths 2.5-4. This combination will unlock its full potential and enhance your playing experience. The Vandoren SM721 is more than just a mouthpiece, it's an investment in your musical journey. Upgrade your sound today. What we like. It produces a full, rich sound with excellent clarity. The medium-short facing is versatile and comfortable. If you prioritize a well-rounded tone and precise articulation, then this is for you. What people say. The one Amazon shipped appeared brand new and untested. Quality reminds me exactly of the pieces Vandoren made back in the late 90s. I suspect I'll be happy to keep playing this MP for the next decade or two. Tip opening on the TL3 is perfect for me. I've been using an AL3 on my alto for years and love it, so decided to try the TL3 on my tenor. Initially I was surprised that it had a brighter sound than I expected versus my AL3. I've been experimenting with different reeds and ligatures and found I can create a wide range from warmer and darker to brighter. This Vandoren TL4 easily plays low BB to high F sharp easily and has a timbre that I was looking for. I was expecting it to be dark like my Selmer Paris soloist for classical but found it with a slightly brighter and pleasing sound. It reminds me of my Vandoren V5A28 for my alto. Intonation is very good and only 10 cents sharp on middle D, which can easily be corrected. Number 2. Vandoren SM613B Java Tenor Sax Mouthpiece. Get ready to experience unparalleled sound. This mouthpiece offers exceptional projection and clarity. It's crafted from high-quality ebonite, ensuring durability and a rich tone. You'll appreciate the precision and care put into its creation. Ebonite provides a warm, resonant tone that's perfect for a variety of musical styles. It's a classic choice for a reason. The 265-micron tip opening offers a balance between response and projection. It's ideal for a wide range of players. Experience a full, rich tone with the Jumbo Java chamber. It enhances the overall resonance and projection of your saxophone. This mouthpiece is specifically designed for tenor saxophones. It's perfectly sized and shaped for optimal performance. It delivers a powerful and expressive sound, allowing you to play with confidence and precision. Elevate your playing to the next level. What we like. It has a larger tip opening, allowing for a powerful and expressive sound. Made of ebonite, it offers a warm and resonant tone. If you want a big, bold sound, this mouthpiece is worth considering. What people say. It is well suited for a bright rock type of sound. I find the control to be very good over the entire range of the horn, Selmer Mark 6. The high octave notes are loud and focused. The low notes are easy to play with control, as well. The tone and intonation is even from bottom to top, which is a little surprising considering my fibercell reed has a short vamp, and altissimo comes with ease. It's free-blowing, but with a slight amount of pushback. Well-rounded, big tone in all registers and great intonation. Number 1. Yibuy No. 7 Tenor Sax Mouthpiece. Get ready to elevate your saxophone playing with this exceptional mouthpiece. It's designed to deliver rich tones and effortless performance, making every note a joy to play. Crafted from high-quality brass, it ensures perfect pitch and a superior sound. Experience the difference that precision engineering makes. This mouthpiece produces a bright, focused tone, ideal for fast passages and high notes. It will bring out the best in your playing. The secure metal ligature and cover keep everything in place, ensuring reliable performance. It's built to last. It's specifically designed for B-flat tenor saxophones. Before purchasing, please double-check that it's compatible with your instrument. With its superior sound quality and responsive design, it's the perfect tool to unlock your musical potential. Experience the joy of playing like never before. What we like. It produces a bright and focused tone, ideal for fast passages and high notes. The nickel plating adds durability and shine. If you like a bright, responsive sound for lively performances, this is the one for you. What people say. Good-looking mouthpiece. A little bit of work on it and it performs very well. Yibuy No. 7 Nickel Tenor. These are great. I now have 3, which I bought to see if I might get one that was extra special. They all play the same, and in my opinion, they are all extra special. I also have 3 of the red gold No. 9 models for tenor. Also great. The tip openings run smaller than you would get on a STM Link. I have a hashtag 7 STM link, which I also like, and the Yibuy number 9 feels like a slightly smaller tip opening than the link hashtag 7 star. But the Yibuys are much more powerful, and a bit brighter than the link, but not harsh. I have a silver sax, so I admit I bought this purely for cosmetic reasons, hoping it might also be a knockoff of a more expensive similar looking mouthpiece, but while it looks great and seems well made, it had a dark mid-rangey tone, without a lot of high-end air or buzz, and the low-end woof seems constrained too. It also seemed to encourage more squeaks than my stock mouthpiece. I haven't learned how to play altissimo range yet, but I think this mouthpiece might do well there, as it's very easy to get sustained notes in that range, which my other mouthpiece does not do as well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.